Dear IGNU and other university MBA students, I am Ritunjoy Poddar from MadeMBAeasy.com. This is our third video on MBA project work for you. Today I shall discuss with you on another most important aspect of your MBA project work, that is how to select a guide or a supervisor for your MBA project work and how MadeMBA Easy can be helpful to you. Students, if you are about to start your MBA project work but finding difficulty to proceed and not getting a guide or a supervisor, please feel free to contact us through our Facebook page or through our website. Through this video, I shall give you a few important tips for choosing a guide or a supervisor for starting your MBA project. Students, in some universities, students are given a chance to select their guide or a supervisor so that it is up to the student to select best available faculty members from the departments. Also, in few universities, a student is assigned a guide by their department itself. But in many universities where students are studying MBA through correspondence or part-time or through distance education mode, they are required to find a guide or a supervisor of their own for the project work. So there is no help. In this case, students should consider the following points while selecting a supervisor or a guide. Most important point of selecting a guide or a supervisor is the guide should be from your own area of interest, that is in the area of your specialization. If you are interested in a particular field of management study, you need to first list the available teachers or guides on that field, that is from different universities or institutes in your city or town or from the nearby area. Suppose you choose supply chain management, as you are interested in operations management and supply chain is a part of operation management in your area of interest. Your next step should be to meet those professors or teachers who are specialized in supply chain management and approach them one by one and ask him or her about the kind of project they are willing to give you from your MBA project work. This sometimes gives a chance to the guide to assign his or her own research work to the student itself. If he or she asks you about the kind of work you want to do, it is now up to you to decide on which area or on which topic you are going to work, which mostly should be in your chosen field only or your domain of expertise. Next step will be to take feedback from the existing students, those who are doing their MBA project under the same guide. Please ask them about the guide's nature or behavior, their style of working and working hours. Different universities also have different stipulations for or the requirement of guide, that is a guide's educational qualification, experience, etc. So please read the biodata of the guide in detail, mentioning his academic and professional or career, so that the guide meets the qualification or experience of a university. Also ask his research background in terms of research papers published or project guided so far. Lastly, never select those who almost does not know about his work or have no mastery or no previous experience. They will simply leave you alone and you will have to do your work and no guidance. If you have difficulty in getting a guide, please feel free to contact us. As dedicated faculty from MadeMBAeasy.com who are mostly MCOM and CA or BE MBA or MCOM cost accountant with at least 20 years of experience will be available to help you to select a subject, to select a topic, to find an organization for you for study, plan your project, and will act as a liaison between you and the host organization. So you need not bother for anything. Thank you, students. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends and colleagues who are also to start their MBA project work. Thank you, students.